Hello, Namaste, Kem Cho. Myself Mihir Chevli. Today I will introduce you to many great food items of India. If you are a food lover, watch this video till the end, and not, then you will surely have a craving after watching this. Let's start. Our priority for a living is roti, kapra and makan. It means food, clothes and home. These three things are necessary to live our life. And for our generation, one more thing is added, and that's the internet. And today I am going to talk about one of them, and that's about food. Here are some interesting facts and some GK about Indian food. Indian food is said to be based on 6 kinds of taste. That's sweet, madura, salty, sour, pungent, bitter, and astringent, means kasya. India is the largest producer of the spices in the world. It is the land of the rice that grows unbelievable varieties like white, red, sticky, even black. Black rice is found only in India and in China. India is a home to both jolokia, one of the hottest chili in the world, also called ghost chili. World's largest producer of milk is India. So now I will tell you the amazing food item from various corners of the India. Let's go. We are starting from my home state Gujarat. When you ask food of Gujarat, then first thing will comes in mind that fafda and jalebi, and also dhokla. In many festivals, fafda is the most preferable snacks. Fafda is a rectangular shape and yellowish in complexion. It's made from besan, mean gram flour, oil, ajwain, mean carom seeds, paprika and salt. When you come to Gujarat, then don't miss this delicious street food. Price is around rupees 30 per plate. It means $0.45 per plate. When you hear the name of the fafda in Gujarat, then automatically jalebi included in the list. They both are like siblings. Jalebi is made by deep frying maida flour, means plain full, batter in pastel or circular shape, which are then soaked in sugar syrup. This dessert can be served warm or cold. Jalebi is eaten with curd or jalebi along with optional other flavors such as kevra, scented water. My suggestion is that take jalebi with the rabri, make you flabbergasted. Price is similar as fafda, rupees 30 per plate. $0.45 per plate. After that, most lovable snack comes in the list is dabeli. Basically, dabeli is a spicy, tangy and sweet potato filling inside a bun. More specifically, the Indian bun called as a pav. This with the spicy and a sweet chutney and some pomegranate, grapes, onion and sev. Dabeli means pressed in the Gujarati language. It was invented in 1960. The people of Gujarat very sweet, and that's why their foods are also more delicious. There are an uncountable list of snacks and namkeens like khaman and dokla, pathra, thepla, gugra, bakharwadi, khakra, mathia, chorafari, sing bhujia and busu, means mixture of namkeens. Don't miss this one when we visit to Gujarat. Come to on the main course of the Gujarati thali. The Gujarati thali consists of various dishes like ringda methinu sak, means eggplant cooked with fenugreek leaves, Gujarati katti mithi dal, sweet and sour lentil, undiyu, mixed vegetable prepared with the spinach paste, bindi sambaria, ladyfinger curry, aloo rasila, means potato and potato thin curry, steamed basmati rice, basmati khichdi, chapati, methina thepla and bhakri with kachumbar salad among with the various types of chutneys. Gujarati household has at least 3 fresh vegetable dishes, 1 dry dal, a wet dal kadhi, kathor, a savory, mithai, puri, rotis, steamed rice, chhas and papad. There are basundi, srikhand, angur rabdi and mohanthal. beans milk cake are the best sweets of Gujarat that you don't want to miss in your life. The price per plate is around 150 rupees to 1000 rupees. It means $2 to $15. You can visit Manek Chowk, Law Garden, Batiari Gali, Fructak Park in Ahmedabad for street food. And in Surat, you can visit Gangor, Kailash, Sweet Snacks, Mahesh Pav Bhaji, Jani Locho for amazing street food experience in Gujarat. Going to the next spots and this Rajasthan. Fafda, jalebi and dokla are connected with Gujarat like this. Dal bati and churma is connected with Rajasthan. Number 1. Dal bati and churma. Dal bati and churma is the Rajasthani cuisine popular not only in India but across the world. This is a dish for a special occasion. Batis resemble the dumplings but are baked in the special oven. Churma is a sweet dish made with flour, jaggery of sugar and ghee. Ghee means Indian butter. Dal bati churma is usually served either during lunchtime or dinner time. The city of Jodhpur, Jaipur, Udaipur and Jaisalmer are famous for this Rajasthani dish. It's available in most of the shops. This will taste better than you can imagine. Price special thali Indian rupees 100. It means around $1.2. Second food of Rajasthan, that's lal mas. It is a meat curry prepared in a sauce of yogurt and hot spice such as red mathania chilies. This dish typically is very hot and rich in garlic. The gravy may be thick or liquid and is eaten with chapatis made out of wheat or maida flour. Price is around Indian rupees 150. It's around $2. Next food of Rajasthan, gatta curry. Rajasthani gatta curry or gatte ki sabji is the very popular in Rajasthan vegetarian dish made from besan atta. Dumplings made from gram flour and dry spices are steamed and cooked in a spicy and tangy yogurt-based sauce. This dish tastes exceptionally good with any type of Indian flatbread like roti, chapati, paratha, puri or bhakri or steamed rice. Price is around 150 rupees. It's around $2. Next food of Rajasthan and my favorite, Raj Kachori. Raj Kachori is a typical Rajasthan street food which has become very popular. It is available in all chaat shops. Raj Kachori is like a giant pani puri and it's well puffed and very crisp. First, mix the flour, semolina, baking powder in the bowl and make the with the water. Divide the dough into equal parts and then make puri in the round shape. Heat the oil in the embroidery and heat it well. Now fries until they become golden brown. Put them on napkins afterward to get extra oil. Mix the remaining ingredients in the second bowl with boiled mung, black and brown gram, potatoes, salt and sugar. Make hole in the middle of the kachori and fill the finished material in it. Then apply papri masala on it and simultaneously add curd, chaat masala, red chili, tamarind and green chutney. Price per plate is around 75 rupees Indian rupees. It means only $1. Other street food like mirchi vada, mohan mas, pyaj kachori and sweets there are lots of options like gevar, kalakan, balusai and moong ki dal ka halwa. It's delicious. Must try it in your Rajasthan tour. If you are wondering where you can have the best street food in the Rajasthan, there are a place to satisfy your craving for the Rajasthani delicacy, including like most of the shop is in Jaipur, so you are going in Rajasthan, don't miss to visit the Jaipur. Visit this place for a delicious taste. Going to the next state, and it's the Punjab, the state of food. This cuisine has a rich tradition of many distinct and local ways of cooking. One is special form of tandoori cooking that's now famous in other parts of India, UK, Canada, Hong Kong, and in many parts of the world. Traditionally, Punjabi cuisine is known for its rich, buttery flavor along with the extensive vegetarian and meat dishes. The main dishes include sarson da saag, a stew whose main ingredients is mustard greens, and makke di roti. Here are some famous food items of Punjab. Number 1 in the Punjabi food is the langar. While not being a dish, langar is an absolute must-try for everyone at least once in their life. The community kitchen of every Gurudwara is open to all for service and serving. Anyone can go there and help to cook for the people as well as receive a meal. Being just simple food consisting of naan, dal and some prasad, it is one of the humblest meal you will have while sitting with people across caste, creeds, gender, and everyone is treated equally here. Don't miss langar experience at Amritsar Gurudwara. Price free of cost for all people. First dish of Punjab is butter chicken, the king of all Punjabi dishes. While chicken may very well be called the national bird of Punjab, butter chicken is the crowning jewel of the food of Punjab. No celebration can be complete without this dish. This creamy gravy dish is lightly spiced and paired up with either naan or rumali roti. Price per plate is 150 Indian rupees. It means $2. Second is the lassi, a drink known far and wide. Lassi is something Punjabis pride themselves in. Though it can be salty, the original lassi as is become famous is sweet with a dollop of cream and butter to make it as rich as you can. Flavors like mango, rose or strawberry is added this day to give it a twist while beating the summer heat. Almost all restaurants serve this even if they are not Punjabi joints, which show the popularity of this humble drink. Price is 45 rupees only. It means $0.6. Next is Amritsari Kulcha. Amritsari Kulcha is a crisp as well as soft leavened bread which is stuffed with boiled and mashed potatoes and spices. This bread is similar to naan. This is the best and easy kulcha recipe ever. Amritsari Kulcha with chole or dal makhani is an authentic Punjabi meal of Amritsar. Price is start from rupees 35 to 150. It means $0.47 to $2. Other street food of Punjab like rajma chawal rice, paneer tikka, Amritsari fields, Shakkarpura that you don't wanna miss. Places for best food experience in Punjab, there's Golden Temple and other Gurudwaras for langars, and for other items you can visit Baba's Kitchen, Haveli, Brothers Amritsari Dhaba, the Kulcha Lane, Kesar Da Dhaba at Punjab and in Ludhiana. After the dinner, must try pan. Fire pan is basically an extreme version of regular pan that just happen to be on fire when it goes into your mouth. Jagdish Chaurasia Pan Bandar is the smallest street food stall in Vileparle, Mumbai that sells the most unique and exotic version of pan, such as ice pan, fire pan, chocolate pan, fruit pan, and many more. Not only in Mumbai, Maharashtra, but you can get it in many places all over India. That's all for today. This is only 15% variety which I saw today. If you like this episode, then hit the like button. We will make the part 2. And subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Namaste.